Ever tried making a professional photo, a logo, or even an anime avatar and ended up stuck, wasting hours, feeling frustrated? What if there's a way to do it all in just a few clicks, completely free? Welcome to Veer, an AI powerhouse that turns imagination into reality. From text-to-image magic to professional headshots, anime portraits, game assets, tattoos, logos, and even short AI-generated videos. Veer gives you the power to create stunning visuals without design skills, without watermarks, and without paying a dime. Stay with me because you'll be amazed at how much this free tool can do. And if you want to try it yourself, I've left the link right below in the description. On the screen right now, you can see the homepage interface of Veer AI. And to create an account, simply click on the Sign Up button, located at the top right corner of the screen. When signing up, you'll have two options. First, you can use your Google account. Second, you can sign up with your email address. To make it quick, I'll choose to sign up with my Google account. Just pick your account. And once the registration is done, you'll be redirected to your personal dashboard. Here, you can clearly see all the details of your account, including your email address, the date of creation, and the current plan you're using. As you can see, I'm on the free plan right now. Now, pay attention here. With this software, you can actually use it completely free and without any limits. Yes, as you can see, they clearly state that we can use their application, unlimited and free. Let's go into the pricing section to take a closer look. Here, it shows that the free plan allows unlimited usage, no restrictions. And even better, there's no watermark on the exported results. So this software is really worth trying out. Of course, if you want more power, higher speed, you can always upgrade. But honestly, I feel the free version is already pretty good. Now, let's go back to the homepage. You'll notice this software comes with quite a lot of features. Most of them are focused on image creation, but you can also create videos. Let me review some of the main features for you. The first one is text to image. To access it, just click on AI text to image. Below, you'll see there are also many other image generation tools. But for now, I'll just show you this main feature. Click here, and this is the text-to-image interface. Then, click on Generate Image from Text. Pretty simple, right? On the right-hand side, you'll find the box where you can enter your prompt. You can also click on the little light bulb icon to generate a random prompt suggested by the software. For example, if I click here, the system gives me a random prompt. Below, you'll see the model selection. With the free version, you can only use the quality model. But if you upgrade to Pro or Max models, you'll be able to generate more images at once, and faster too. Pro can generate up to 10 images at once. Max can generate up to 20 images, and with higher quality. But since I'm using the free plan, I'll stick with the quality model. Next, you can choose the aspect ratio for your image. Here, I'll pick 16:9. Once you've set everything, just click Generate. And as you can see, the software clearly allows unlimited usage for free. Here's an image created based on the random prompt, but of course, you can enter your own prompt. Let me try. I'll paste in my own prompt here. Still using quality model, still 16:9. Then click Generate. And here we go. This is the image generated by the software. Pretty nice, right? Honestly, compared to some paid tools out there, this free software performs really well. So you don't even need to upgrade to Pro or Max yet. The free model is already very good. And remember, it's unlimited. Now let's try another one. I'll clear the old prompt and paste a new one. A car driving on the road. Then click Generate. And here it is. Looks quite realistic, doesn't it? In my opinion, this image quality is almost as good as many paid tools. And once again, it's free and unlimited. After generating an image, you can also download it. Just click on the little arrow button here and save it to your device. Now, let's move on to the next feature. In the menu, you'll see Image to Image. Here, you can upload an image and then change its style. For example, they show us some samples here. So let's try this out. Click here. Upload your image. I'll use the one I generated earlier. Now, we can change its style by using a prompt. You can either generate a random prompt automatically or create one yourself. For example, I'll use the auto-generated prompt. Click Generate. And here's the new image. Or I can just type a simple prompt like, change style, and generate again. Now the girl in the image is transformed into an anime style. So in short, with image to image, you upload an image and it will generate a new one, similar but in a different style. But if you want the same character to remain consistent, you'll need to use another feature called Kontact Editor. Click here on Kontact Editor, and then click Try Flux Context Now. Here you can upload the same girl's photo. This time, even if you change the style, the character remains exactly the same. For example, I'll choose anime style again. Then click Generate. And here it is. Notice how the background, outfit, hairstyle all stay the same, only the style changes. That's the difference between image to image and Kontact Editor. Even better, with Kontact Editor, you can also make small changes. For example, I'll type, "The girl wears glasses," and generate. And here we go. The girl now has glasses, but the rest of her features remain consistent. So, if you want to preserve the character while making modifications, use Kontact Editor. Next, let's look at image to video. This feature lets you turn an image into a short video. Click here, Upload an image. I'll upload the car image I generated earlier. Then enter a prompt or let the system suggest one. You can also choose camera angles, movements, video format, duration, default 5S, frame rate 24 frames per second. For free users, the output is limited to 768p quality. Once everything's set, click Generate. And here it is, a short video generated from the image. Not bad, right? Considering this is a free tool, being able to create videos like this is pretty amazing. With paid platforms like Runway or High-Low, you'd spend quite a bit of money, but here, it's completely free. Apart from these, there are still many more features inside freeAI. For example, you can even upload an image and the system will generate a prompt for you, describing that image. That prompt can then be reused in text to image. And as you can see, there are dozens of tools available, so I really recommend you to create an account and explore them all yourself. That's it for today. Want to create stunning headshots, anime portraits, logos, or even short AI videos all for free? freeAI has everything you need. Click the link below to try it now. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome AI tools. See you in the next video.